Welcome to my everyday, daily, full coverage routine. Okay, so here we are starting off with the cream foundations. And when I move on, the next step is contour and bronzer. You have to try cream blush. Have you noticed that that's the new trend of the 2020s? So I'm using this orange paint stick around my bronzer to create a more blushy bronzer. This is how I do my makeup. I slap it on, make a mess, and then I clean it up. I've noticed that's how I operate in life. Make a mess out of everything and then we'll clean up the edges later. How do you live life? Because it might come out in the way you do makeup. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay, so here I am cleaning up my edges and making them sharper. I love a strong jawline, like a highlighted jaw. I really like it. Here I am powdering all of that foundation with the one and only Airspun powder. I noticed Airspun has nothing to it. It's very loose and dry, which is good for cream foundations. And I like this color stay. Color stay is Covergirl, right? Or is it Maybelline? I think it's Covergirl. This powder foundation I'm using to blur my face. You have to try this. If you don't use powder foundation, you have to use your loose powder and then use powder foundation over it. It leaves you flawless. And here I am just getting a dip of bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. I love this bronzer because it literally has no pigment to it. The formula is so thin that it doesn't chunk up, which I like. This is my favorite step. I use this every time I do makeup. Do you ever put on bronzer, put on blush, and you could see that it looks very thick or it looks very obvious? This product is a highlighter, but I use it as a smoothing powder. Could you see how it's just buffing all the edges of anything we put on? And melting the colors into one. I wonder if this powder has silicone in it because it leaves a very dimethicone smooth look to all the products I put on. This product is my lifesaver. Bury me with this product. To the mortician doing my makeup, use this product on my face. Okay, now to a vampy lipstick. This is a mini Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick. I love the applicator she has because it's hard and thin. So I like to use it to round out my lips. A con is that I could never get them sharp with this applicator, but I could get them round. As you can see, I'm just rounding out my lips. Kind of looks like a blow-up doll, but hey, who cares? It comes off. What's your favorite lipstick brand and product? With 1990s hair and 2000 makeup, I'm ready to go nowhere and just listen to Taylor Swift by myself at home. Bye-bye.